Alright guys, if your page or post on your website won't index quickly on your website, there are ways that you can make it to get indexed very quickly. In this quick video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to make your post or pages on your website index very quickly and you'll get traffic to your website. So the first thing you want to do is to get your website page ready and you're ready to go. If you want to create new posts or pages, you just go here at the top bar here and you create your post. If it is page that you want to create, you can go up here, down here and create your page. So let's say I want Google and the research engine to quickly index this page here. I've already created a page here, so I'm just gonna go here and go to my dashboard. So here at my dashboard, if it is page, you can go here. You can also go from here and go over here to the pages area and you can create new page there or view all the pages that you create. For example, all these are all pages. You go from here. If you want to view all the pages, you can go from here and choose the page that you want to edit. With this new page that you want to create, you can go from there. So here is all new posts that you have. So here is posts. You can go from all posts here. If it is post, you can add new, you can create new post here. So I've already created, but this is the page that I want Google and the research engine to index very quick. So I'm just gonna go to edit at down the bottom here, or you click on top here. So it's gonna take you to where you can edit your post or pages. So here at the editing area, you've created your post, you've added your image, you've added video, you've added tags, you've added categories, you've added future image, you've added page, and all is ready to go. So down here you can just go to the visibility here, depending on the SEO plugin that you're using. You can just go to the settings area here. So you want to go to the visibility there and you want to go to indexing there, and we want this post to index. So just click index instead of leaving it in default. So we want this post to index now. So we want to follow now. So we want to see it in our archive also. So when you finish with that, then you scroll up and click update. So now that we've updated our page, so we want to view this page here, you click view at the top. So here is the page there. So now you want to copy the URL here at the top here. So you copy the URL and you want to go over to your Google search engine. So you are going to drop the URL to the search engine. So here are the URL area. We're going to click on URL inspection here. URL inspection, and you are going to drop the URL there. So you paste the URL there. When you paste the URL there, and you are going to click enter on your computer. You drop it to the Google, and that's all. Google is going to index your post. You're going to inspect your URL and index your post very quick and very fast. You are going to do the same for the Bing also. If you are using Bing Webmaster, you can do the same also. So that's how you use. Another thing that you are going to drop to Google is your sitemap. So you want to go to your sitemap. You want to look for your sitemap of your website. The sitemap of your website can be grabbed from your SEO plugin, from the SEO plugin of your website. So here is where your sitemap is. So you want to view your sitemap. So here is where you can get your sitemap URL. So this is your sitemap right there. So I'm going to click, I'm going to copy the sitemap of your website there. And you go over to the Google back again to the Google Webmaster and drop it to the Google Webmaster again, back again. So here are the sitemap here. We're going to click sitemap. And drop your sitemap there. Yeah. And which when you click submit. We're going to do the same for the Bing Webmaster. And your website, your page will be ready to go. Very quick and very easy to see for your visitors. So that's how you can index your page or your new post on your website that you just created. If you have any question or anything to say about this video here, please let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.